Anthea from Think Academy, and I will be teaching our weekly online classes for intermediate and advanced class for our primary 3 students. So, I hope all of you have enjoyed our School Holiday Revision Champion Challenge, and there are some tricky questions from this challenge, and I would like to go through 3 of it with you. So let's begin.
Okay, so for this question, we read it together. It says, read the clues and find the secret 3-digit number. Okay, so we have 3 clues over here. We know that the first clue is the number is greater than 790. And then the next clue is the digit in the ones place is 4 more than the digit in the tens place. Alright. Then the sum of all the digit is 14. Okay? So we're gonna try and put the number as 790 first. Okay? And then we're gonna look at the digit in the ones place. Can this digit in the ones place be 4 more than 9? And we realize that we cannot because it will be 13, correct? Then how can you have ones as 13? So this is not correct. So the next possible higher number that we can get is 8 over here, right? We're going to have 8 here. And then we're going to do a guess and check. Okay, we're going to start with 0 over here. And here will be 4, correct? Because the ones have 4 more. Okay, the digit in the ones place is 4 more than the digit in the tens. Then you add up together the sum of it. What do you get? You get 12. Correct? So is it 14? No, it's not 14. So we're going to try again. Okay? Going to erase this part first. Okay, so now if we're not going to put 0, then maybe we can put 1, and over here should be plus 4, so here is 5, and then you add all of it up together. What do you get? You realize that you get 14, correct? Yeah, so the answer is 815 because you see it satisfies all the clues over here. Alright? Okay, so for this question, we're going to read the question together, okay? So firstly, it says the figure below has how many surfaces and the figure has how many edges. Alright, so let's solve part A first. So part A, it says that the figure below has a number of surfaces. So let's count the number of surfaces over here, okay? So we have 1 over here, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, okay? So we have 5 surfaces that can be seen. Alright, so we have another few more surfaces that cannot be seen, which is the one at the back, so we call this 6. Over here as well, we call it 7, the one at the other end, right? And we have one more at the bottom, which is 8. Okay, so in total we have 8 surfaces. Alright, so then let's look at what edges mean. Okay, so edges, right, means the line over here. Can you see? Okay, I'm going to erase everything so then it's easier for you to see. Okay, so edges mean this line. So we're going to count how many lines are there. Alright, so we're going to count now together. We have 1 here, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, correct? And then we have 14, 15, over here behind, 16, 17, and we have one last one which is at the back, and 18. Okay, so in total we have 18 edges. Alright? Okay, for this question, we're going to read the question together. It says, Judy uses the 5 letters of I, C, A, R, and E to form a pattern. So the first 12 letters are shown below, and which letter is in the 37th position. So the first thing that teacher would do is to always look out for the pattern. Okay, so the pattern is as such, I, C, A, R, E, and then it goes on again, and there's another I-C-A-R-E over here. Correct? So we know that in one pattern, there are how many alphabets? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 alphabets in one pattern. Correct? Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to take 37 divided by 5. And we're going to find how many groups of 5 are there in this 37th alphabet. Okay? And we're going to get some remainder. So the answer is 7 remainder 2. Correct? So what does this mean is that it has 7 groups of I care. Okay, 7 groups of the 5 alphabets and remainder of 2. Okay, so over here, we know that the next two alphabet would be I and C. So the 37th one should be a C. Okay, so the answer is C.
I hope you have enjoyed learning simpler ways to solve the challenging questions that I have shared with all of you through the video. And if you have enjoyed the video, do head down to thinkacademy.sg to check out the online courses that my fellow master teachers and I are teaching. And I hope to see all of you soon in our classes. Bye!